Hi guys, this is your DIY mechanic, and I'm here to make maintaining your car very cheap. Today we have an Honda Acura Saloon car. It came in with a transmission problem. I'm showing you guys the dashboard. If you look at it, you can see that the green light on D is flashing while the car is on park. It's not supposed to flash, so that's an issue. So after scanning it, it came out with this code. Look at it: shift solenoid valve E opened. So we're going to take a look at it and we're going to solve the problem, and I'll get back to you to tell you how it was solved. Hi guys, this is a DIY mechanic. So after doing all the scanning on this car, just to the history of this car. This is an Honda Acura. It came from another workshop, and the customer actually did a rebuilding work on the engine. So after scanning it, I realized that it complained of all the solenoids, in the transmission. So I'm like, I was just wondering, how could all the solenoids be bad at once? After doing the scan, it's not possible for all the solenoids to be bad at once. Probably there's, one cable or one socket, that is out. So the first thing I did was just to go to the transmission. Let me show you what I did. But before then, let me show you guys what I did now. Look at the drive now. Let me put it on drive. It's green, you can see it, and it's not blinking. Like the other one, it was blinking. And if I put it on reverse now, it's there. It's not blinking. When it was kind of faulty, it was blinking, but now it's good. It's not blinking. Now let me show you where the fault was. It was a very easy fix for me, because just thinking about it, all the solenoids on the transmission can't go bad at once. It's either one cable is cut or opened, or shorted or opened, either of it. So, and before then I'm scanned it already. So what I did was to check all the sockets first. So let me show you guys the particular socket that I checked and made this job an easy fix for me. So let's take a look at it. So this is the engine bay, and I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. The solenoid is somewhere around here. The particular solenoid is one where my hand is, this particular solenoid here. I realized that the socket, one of the wires there was out, so that made those lights to be blinking on the dashboard. So all I did was just fix it in properly. So after doing that, I went back into the car and I put it on drive. It's no more blinking. Put it on reverse. I'm going back. Look at it. The car is moving back. Before it couldn't do that, couldn't go back, couldn't move at all, but now it's working. So that made it an easy fix for me. So if this helps someone out there, can like, share, and also click on the notify button, subscribe, so that I could do more videos. Thank you.